This is a 1961 fully restored Zenith radio model G730. It's an AM/FM radio, volume and on-off control on the right, with the outer circle being a tone control. AM and FM is accessed from the left dial and the tuners on the outside ring. This radio is also Bluetooth enabled. The radio has a switch at the back, access for radio or phono. When the radio is put into phono mode, Bluetooth is enabled, and you connect with Bluetooth at Tune a Firefly. Once you're connected with the Bluetooth of the radio, you can play your favorite music through the radio or old-time radio programs and still access the volume and tone controls.
You make me feel so spring has sprung.